Now you realize I am pulling halfway. You don't need to pull it all the way to the end because it will still give you the number of cuts anyway.
This is after 10 minutes.
After 10 minutes, that's what you get. That's what you get. So we stir it because remember haijakorogwa tangu tuiweke. So the spices and everything may be at the bottom. So we stir it, that is okay.
And the potatoes?
In this,
Potatoes are like, is it like that?
no, not yet.
Okay, but they're almost, yeah?
Yeah.
You look at them, you see.
Yeah, not yet.
We are putting.
So we are putting it back for another 6 minutes. But maybe I will do 7 minutes because the potatoes, I forgot, produce their own water. So they have actually produced a lot of water. So let me put it for 7 minutes so that the water can get absorbed.
Okay.
And the potatoes are cooked.
They are well cooked.
Yeah.
It has cooked for 2 minutes.
Yeah. Why we extended the time is because the potatoes gave us a lot of water, so we needed to let it soak the water a little bit. Let it settle down for about 3-4 minutes, then we shall serve. Otherwise, mtachomeka.